Hello, Ghosties. My name is Silky Little Ghost, and we are going to do an auto shoutout tutorial for the Mix It Up app that is a little bit different from any other tutorial that I've found on YouTube. It has taken me weeks to figure this one out, but it seems to be the only one that actually works for me. So, we are going to go into the hamburger menu. And we are going to avoid commands. We are going to avoid events, action groups, yada, yada, yada. We're going to go straight to users. Now this shows a list of all of the people who have hung out in your stream. I'm just going to click my name, and we are going to scroll down to custom entrance command. We are going to add command. Click chat message and the plus button. Send as streamer, and I have copied this so that I can just paste it in. Hello, Ghosties. Please welcome $user display name. They were last seen playing $userstreamgame. You can find them at $userurl. Now, when I make these alerts for other people, I like to throw in something a little bit special for each person. This wonderful human being is, I don't know, fill in the blank, kind, caring, and compassionate. I don't know. I don't know what to say about myself. It's just make it your own. Make it special. It takes a little bit of extra time, but seriously, making other people feel special isn't hard, and you only have to go in and do this once per person. You can do it. I believe in you. We are going to test the command. Go back into the hamburger menu. Go into chat. Boom, boom. Now, there's 2 in here because it says that it's from me, so it triggered it. If I come in and I say hello, it's not going to trigger it again because it's already been triggered once. So, do with this what you will. I hope it works for you. If it does, give me a like and subscribe. If it doesn't, I don't know. Let me know. Nicely. Don't be mean. I'll see you around. Have a wonderful day or night, wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye now.